Hi guys, my name is Kylie Dom and I am the writer and presenter of this slideshow. I did research on Captain James Cook. This is a photo of his ship, the Endeavour, and Cook himself. Who was Captain James Cook? He was a British explorer, navigator, cartographer, and was one of the captains of the British Royal Navy. He was born in Marton in Cleveland, United Kingdom on November 7, 1728 and killed on February 14, 1779. Why I selected to do research on Cook. I have played a sea adventure game called Sea of Thieves, where I would sail the seas and go on voyages. This is kind of what Cook was doing, but in real life. How Cook helped advance the science of oceanography. He put New Hebrides and New Caledonia on the map. In 1770, he charted New Zealand and the Great Barrier Reef of Australia. He also disproved the existence of Terra Australis. His voyages helped guide many generations of explorers and was one of the first people to provide an accurate map of the Pacific. During his time period of exploration, he joined the military navy, and when he turned 29, he was promoted to the ship's master. During the 7 Years' War in 1756 to 1763, he commanded a capture of the ship for the Royal Navy. In 1763, he commanded the first scientific expedition to the Pacific Ocean. As I said in the last slide, he charted New Zealand in the 1770s, which was also known as the most dangerous areas to navigate through. He went on a mission in 1772 on a major mission to the South Pacific, and he explored the Antarctic region. In January of 1778, he made his first visit to the Hawaiian Islands, and he might have been the first European to ever visit this island group. He also named them the Sandwich Islands. He started his exploration in the year 1759 and he ended the year in 1779. He stopped sailing because he was killed when he returned to the natives in the Hawaii for his third visit. He was stabbed by one of the natives. He first wanted to observe the planet Venus and how it passed between the Earth and the Sun. He also hoped to find the fabled southern continents. These are my MLA citations. Thank you for taking the time to listen about Captain James Cook.